Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to edit the tiles menu or customize the tiles menu on this watch. First, let me show you how to open the tiles menu on this watch. Basically, you need to wake up the screen by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button, and once you see the current watch face, the home screen, you can swipe left to open the tiles menu. And here we have different tiles like health, exercise, today, devices, and you can add your own as well. Maybe not tiles because it's weirdly categorized rather. We have like a main tile, and on it we can add another tile, which is weird. I'm not sure how it's called, but basically you have the main positions and you can also add to them. So let's say you want to edit your health page a little and you want to add something to it. You need to scroll down, tap on plus button. You will see the list of featured apps you can add, but as well you will see different categories, and you can scroll through the categories, look for something you like, open it, and then select the one that you like to add it. For example, this one, and it will be added to your main tile, to the health page. You can also edit this page by pressing and holding on it, then tap on edit, and now you can do a few things. You can remove the tile from it, so if you tap on minus button, it will be gone. You can also move them. So let's say I want this to be at the top. You can press and hold on it, and then drag it to the position you want it to be in, and drop it. And once you're done, you can press the upper button, and if you open the tile now, your changes will be applied basically. Okay, you can also add the main tile, the position, by tapping on here add tiles, and then you can scroll through the list of the categories, find something you want to use, then tap on the tile you want to add. It will be added, and here you can also change the name of the main page. For some reason, oh, I can't enter more than 10, my bad. So let's say devices E, and then tap on the check mark. You can of course add more tiles if you want to. You can change the positions of them, of course, remove the tiles, and once you're done editing, you can press the upper button, and then the main page should appear, and you should have the tiles you added. You can also change the position of the pages. So if you enter the edit mode like this by pressing and holding on one, you can again remove the whole page as a thing. So you can remove it completely. You can add another one, but you can also move it. So if you press and hold on it again, you can basically drag it to the position you want it to be in. And then you can press the upper button, and if you go back, your changes should apply. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this on the phone. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here that is paired with my watch, and on that phone I'm gonna open the Galaxy. Oh, it's already open, so I'm gonna close it and reopen it so you can see the home page. But basically what we're gonna do is gonna open the Galaxy Wearable application, and in the app you will see your Galaxy Watch Ultra, of course, and here we have the tiles option, and you can tap on it, and right here we can customize our tiles. It's a bit more convenient in the app. You have like a visual presentation, and you can do it quite easier. So basically, to add the tile, you have list of featured rather, and you have the categories. You can tap on the category you like. For some reason, oh, okay, it's working, and you can add the tile if you like it. You can remove it by tapping on minus. What else? You can move it by pressing and holding on one, and then dragging it to the place that you want it to be in. You can change the name of the page, of course. You can move the page, I believe, by pressing and holding on it. Touch and hold to reorder, but where? Somewhere probably. Oh, you need to grab it outside of the circle, I guess. So somewhere in the corner right here. Come on. No. Yeah, somewhere right here. And then you can drag it, of course. Like this. You can remove the whole page by opening the Manage Tiles menu here, and then removing the one you don't like. It will be gone, of course. And what else you can do? I believe that's about all. So basically you can add the smaller tiles, you can add the pages, the main pages by tapping right here. You can remove them by tapping right here and tapping on minus button. You can reorder them. Probably here it's going to be easier, yeah. In this menu it's going to be easier to reorder the main pages, because here you need to grab them by weird places. You can reorder the smaller tiles, like this. You can change the name of the main pages. And I think that's about all, of course. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think I showed you the most things that are like important. And then you can tap on save, and it will save your changes on the watch. Okay, and that's how you edit or customize the tiles menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.